What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. So really quick, an update after 2 days of doing this. um, the tire's still holding air for this little project that I did. Keep in mind this happened at like 2 in the morning. So I was driving on the highway, and I had a some, like, it wasn't a nail, but it was like some plug that I had in the tire, and it was leaking some air. So it happened that I was driving on the highway, and then all of a sudden, I guess the thing came out, and I get a warning on the screen, like really low pressure. So I sped up, I exited on the first exit, and thankfully there was a gas station, and I just pulled up to the air pump, hopefully hoping that it was gonna work. So I did, and then I went to the gas station, and I was hoping they had the tire repair kit, but they didn't. They only had what I'm going to show you guys right now. And like I said, I'll take 2 days after. It's still holding air. Unfortunately, she didn't have anything. All right, so at least they had this, right? And I guess what this does is you put it in there, and it finds the hole, and then I guess it stops the leak. But I don't know if it's gonna stop it because this hole is kind of big. So I told the lady at the gas station if she had a nail, and she didn't, but she found these two screws, right? So these two. So now I'm thinking about putting the thing is that also I don't have a screwdriver. I don't have a screwdriver, so I'm trying to figure out which one I should use, if the smaller one or the bigger. I think the smaller one should be okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the little screw, and I'm gonna put some glue around it. That way my hope is that the glue seals a little bit. I'm not expecting it to seal it completely. And I'm gonna put some glue on the half of the screw. So I got the screw in, right? Well, it's not in yet, so I got it in the hole. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push it in, so bear with me. I'm gonna grab, like, there's some rocks here, so let me get it in. Okay, so if you guys see, it's pretty much all the way in. Let me maybe put a flashlight so you guys see it's flat. I got it in pretty good, and then as the glue, that looks good. So right now I'll put a little bit more glue right here. I mean, I'm not, to be honest, I don't think the glue's gonna do much, but why not? So let's call this a Survivor series, I guess. All right, so there you got it. So now I'm gonna do this and put it in the tire, and then hopefully, my guess is that whatever this is, it floats or whatever to the where the leak is. So right now, hold on 1 second. Step one, you remove this. Okay, so you have to screw it in. Oh fuck, it's the first time I use this thing, so I don't, fuck. Should have I should read the instructions first. Hold on. Okay, so actually I removed the cap, and now let's let the magic happen, I guess. so I don't know. I don't see the tire. Oh yeah, it is. I think it is working actually. So I think it actually worked. So now I'm gonna remove it and fuck, hold on. We're gonna remove it and now I'm gonna put some air on it. So now let's hope that this thing works. Oh my god, it's 150. Always carry coins. Yes. Alright, so let's see. Yes, baby. Going up. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, so I don't want to do too much, so let me go in the car. Hold on. Come on. So hold on. I have to make sure that the warning is not there anymore. I said 25. I need more. 40. Oh, never mind. There we go. Yes, 46. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it there to be safe, to be honest. And I'm gonna keep track of it. But it worked, baby. Ooh. Okay. So if you guys pay attention, it's actually bowling. Oh, fuck. So I don't know if that's good or not. I don't know if that's how the thing works, to be honest. But see, right now it's not bubbling anymore. So damn. So you know what? I'm gonna. To be honest, I don't know if I should let it like. I don't know if I should let it sit a little bit right now. Wait, let me take out some air. Maybe it's too much pressure. I'll just leave it there. But you see right now it's not it's not bubbling up anymore, so I think that's good. If you guys see, this is foam, and the foam is coming out of there, so maybe it's just getting all together. I don't know. I'm gonna drive because that's not a big leak. I'm gonna drive, and then this is just a video to show you guys kind of like if you're in a situation where you don't have that many options. So yeah, this is just a little. I'm gonna take this with me just in case. But yeah, this is just, like I said, this is just like a ghetto fix, so you can drive the car to the shop. So see, right now I was actually thinking about, I was already thinking about calling a tow truck, but then I was like, wait, I'm gonna put some air on it, because I was at 9 psi, and I was like, I'm gonna put some air on it and then drive it to the other gas station, then drive it home. That way I don't have to tow it. But then I got a bright idea. I was like, wait, I'm at a gas station. Maybe they sell the kits for the tires. So I went in there and I got what I'm showing you guys right here. So it's an option. All right. So I'm just gonna be tracking I'm just gonna drive it, whatever. At least it's not leaking air right now. So we go to the shit. Where's the menu for tire pressure? Hold on, let me find. Okay, so I got the menu here, and we're gonna drive. Let's see. Why are my lights on? Oh, maybe I turn them on. Yeah, dumbass. Okay, so it's at 41 psi right now, where it should be. So I'm just gonna keep driving, and then yeah, like I said, this is not definitely, you know, you're not supposed to fix it like this, right? You're supposed to go to a shop and get a patch, or some people they'll just go and spend another $300 on a new tire, which is not needed when you don't have a sidewall damage. So this is just a ghetto fix, quick fix, and I will update you guys on the description box. I'm gonna upload the video, and then I'm gonna be driving the car tonight, and then to my house, and then I'll keep you guys updated. So as long as you see right now it's still at 41, so that's good. That's what we want. And yeah, so yeah, it's just a way to get going, you know. It'll get you going. So it doesn't have to be a screw. It can be a nail or something, like a piece of metal, just big enough that it can fit on the hole and just, you know, prevent the air from coming out. Oh shit.